Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I said in the last video that the next video was going to be showing you guys the bumper and the skirts on the car, almost like showing you guys the car done. No, it's not going to be done. I don't know that the car will ever be done. It's always just going to, like, I'm always going to want to change things up, but we are approaching having the car kind of like looking pretty good for the most part. In preparation for Gatlinburg next weekend. I'm just kind of getting a few things together, trying to get the car looking whole, basically just trying to get it to look good from like 10 feet away. But yeah, today is a Saturday. I'm driving to Louisville, so it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm kind of nervous about the drive because I haven't actually driven the car anywhere longer distance. I actually haven't driven the car on the interstate at all since the new setup, and I have full confidence in everything being good. I've been driving it to work and I've done higher speeds and everything is good with it. It has an alignment now, so it drives perfect. But yeah, I just have that like little nerve of like the first time I'm driving it a little bit further, but it's kind of good to get this out of the way because I have to drive like 4.5 hours to Gatlinburg next week. So I just want to make sure that everything's good with this. But anyway, going to Louisville because I had the bumper and the side skirts dropped off a week ago to get painted by Dapper Dips, and they're done. So I'm gonna drive there to pick those up, and then today's video we're also gonna be ceramic coating my wheels because obviously I have super nice chrome plated VIP modulars and I want to keep them looking as good as possible. Right now the whole car is looking super rough because I haven't washed it. It's just been sitting. Oh, good news, I finally replaced the fucking windshield. There was a giant crack, I don't know if you remember, all the way up here. That is now thankfully gone. New windshield. It was a fucking nightmare dealing with Safelite for weeks. They just kept dicking me around. They never got the glass in and wouldn't tell me for my appointments, so I'd just show up and they're like, oh, we don't have the glass. They're useless. So don't go through them if you have any kind of foreign vehicle because it takes forever to get the glass in and they won't tell you. They're useless. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up with talking. Let's get on with this fucking drive. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. And I don't even know. Let's go. Just made it to Louisville. That was a really stressful drive. The roads between Bowling Green and Louisville are dreadful, and it's actually where my car got destroyed last time. But we made it okay, and I'm at Dillon's house right now. He has this dope OEM Plus 240 behind me. And he is ceramic coating my wheels right now and making them look pretty.
Ceramic coating these wheels.
Yep.
Get them protected. Plus I have this stuff, it's like ceramic boost or whatever. It makes it shine 10 times better.
What kind of stuff do you use?
Adams. Yep.
This is the state of my car right now. It's disgusting because I've been neglecting it, but we'll give it a wash today.
I have everything here to do it too.
Oh, bet. Yeah, let's do it.
Because we have to wash her car. Are the barrels, oh, they're not painted yet?
No, the barrels are just raw, so I don't really care if
I want
leave those dirty.
They're hard to even see in there too. That's why I like this kind of wheel, because it hides the brakes. And
I mean, I'd like it if you could see the brakes a little better, because the big boy brakes in the front. But
I swear. It's like a silica spray. They just came out with it like a few months ago. Before like a normal traditional ceramic coating, they made it easier, so it's like just a spray on instead of like a full pad.
I gotcha.
So I mean, I usually, and this stuff is like super strong. Once it starts to cure, it'll have a rainbow effect. There's some shit that's going down there, boy. Look at them.
Bro, they are so fucking bright.
Like, it hurts to look at them. You need sunglasses.
That's hard.
I don't remember the last time I watched it.
Alright, we just got done. We ceramic coated my wheels, the grill, and the windshield. And then just messed around with a couple other bits. I needed to, like, zip tie the resistors up in my turn signals. And now heading to Dallas's house, and I'm finally gonna put my bumper and side skirts on, and we get to see what this car looks like whole. I'm super pumped. Bumper and skirts. So, the bumper and skirts are on. I'm very excited to see this thing on the ground. For some reason, it was such a pain in the ass to mount those side skirts. I'm just putting it in the street so I can like see the car. Does it look good?
The rest of the road makes it look like it's not on the floor, but it is on the floor.
No, it's not actually on the floor. It's not
Well,
that
the bumper
low.
will be on the floor. I think it will be.
It's not. Alright, I haven't seen it. Ugh. Ooh. Alright. Alright. You guys ready to see it? Boom. The light's not the best, so tune in for tomorrow's video to see it a little better, but yeah, that shit looks hard. You think the color matches? The side skirts look like they match, but I can't tell if it's just like the light on that corner of the front bumper. It's probably because the lip's like such a different angle to any other angle on the car. It just looks like a different color, but boy. Oh, damn. That's me.
That's a fucking... That's like... I'm trying to think. That's like Chicago style pizza over New York pizza. And like Chicago style is like a 9.5. So this is like a 9.5.
Boy, I'll take it. I will just say, you definitely have to come back for tomorrow's video because this car's gonna look completely different. And it's something that I've been waiting to do for fucking ever. And it should finish it off for the time being. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off this, take some pics, and then we're gonna go eat and go to a meet. Fire. Yes, this really came out good, and I want to say a massive shout out to Destin Dapper for painting the bumper and the side skirts at the last minute. Dude is the man. Hit him up if you live in or around Louisville, Kentucky. He'll paint all your shit, and he's a fucking master at Autoflex. Definitely hit him up. And also, huge shout out to Dillon for ceramic coating all my shit. Like, that's a huge help. But yeah, video's not over yet. We are gonna go to a meet, I think. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna take the car or not. I kind of feel like I want to. Oh, Gallenberg shirts. They're in, and they're fucking dope. And if you guys missed out on the pre-order, you suck. Well, actually, I do have a couple extra shirts, which I will be bringing to Gatlinburg. So if you're seeing this video, and you want a shirt, follow me on Instagram, pay attention to my stories, because I'll be posting a story to say, hey, I have shirts, come meet me here, and you can buy shirts. But yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We'll have a more in-depth look at this car in daylight. I'll be doing something sick to it, and let's go to a meet. Alright, so I didn't want to show you guys the car in too much detail in today's video because I'm kind of gonna tease. Sorry, Dallas's brakes on its daily are fucking sick.
Fucking daily, dog.
Yeah, I didn't want to show off too much because I kind of want to keep the element of surprise for tomorrow's video and also Gallenberg, obviously. It's coming up in a couple days from when you guys are seeing this video. So, we'll see you guys in the mountains. But right now we're on the way to, I don't know, some meet. Is it a sick fucking meet or what?
You're asking the wrong guy, dude.
Do you usually go to meets?
Fuck no, I don't.
It's at Value City, and that doesn't sound like a very enticing name, so I don't have super high hopes, but I haven't been to like anything. Actually, no, that's a lie, because I went to LS Fest a couple weeks ago, which I didn't film, and the after meet was insane. Yeah, I want to go to this meet, see what random shit's there. And
Put it this way.
yeah.
It's like the Walmart brand of clean culture.
Perfect. Where we at, Dillon?
We at the Dixie car meet.
I didn't even show you a car properly yet. This shit is fire. Stupid clean. Kind of OEM plus. Work emotions. Stock interior. Paint's pretty clean. Alright, there is not that much of interest here except this. It's an LS swapped big old Tobski 240 with a power glide. Fucking tell me why somebody brought boxing gloves to a car meet and now they're all trying to instigate a boxing fight.
Boy, I'm trying to film it.
Why is this a thing? Good fucking lord.
Ready? Go. All right, don't get serious. Man, I need to quit smoking, bro. Combo. Hold on, come on, I missed it. Goddamn.
Hands down, best thing I've ever seen at this parking lot.
1 minute starts now. Oh, she got BB stuff. Okay. What you afraid?
Bring that ass down, white boy.
I'm going to get second.
Dixie boys.
Damn, son, that one you Zito.
Yo, wait, what do you have?
What in the Old Town motherfucking road is this? Holy shit.
Hey, that's expert. Boy. Get that man right.
What is going on right now? Are you guys gonna fuck or what?
You might need to level it back out.
Touch dicks already. Alright, I'm ending the video. That was a entertaining night. We're going home. I need to go to bed. I don't stay up past 10 anymore.
Fuck off!
Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in tomorrow. We're doing some saucy shit with
Definitely
the LS.
want to tune in tomorrow, fellers.
It's gonna look.
Damn, I'm gonna hit you, dumbass!
It's gonna look real fucking gang, and I'm too tired. All right, bye. Thanks, guys.